Hello everyone, welcome back to the BMS class. In this lesson, I am going to explain about installing Python. Installing Python. So, what is the meaning of installation? Okay, installation of a Python means setting up the Python software on your computer. Okay, if you want to write the Python programs, you have to install the Python software on your computer. Once you installed, then you can start writing the programs. Okay, after the installation of a Python, then you can write, okay, you can write and execute your programs on your computer. Okay, you can start writing the programs and execute your programs in your computer. So this is the first step. Okay, this is the first step in learning Python programming. Okay, this is the first step in learning Python programming. Okay, so normally there are two ways. Okay, try to understand. There are two ways to write and execute Python programs. So there are two ways to write and execute Python programs. So one is using the online editors. Okay, online editors. We can also say online platforms. One is using the online editors. The second one, the second one, using the installation of Python software in your computer. Okay, so there are two ways to write and execute Python programs. One is using the online editors or online platforms. So, using this, what we can do directly, okay, directly with the help of internet, you can write and execute your Python programs. So try to understand this directly with the help of internet. If you have internet connection to your computer, then directly you can write and execute your Python programs. Okay. Now, for example, go to any web browser. Okay. Type, okay, online Python compiler. If you type this, okay, go to Google and type online Python compiler. You can see various online Python compilers. So program is ZDB online debugger. Okay, even W3 schools are having this Python online compiler, coding shuttle. Many things are there. So you can open any one of this. For example, I am opening program is. Now you see that this is my Python screen. Okay, Python screen. What you have to do, you see that the left side you can write the program. So you know one program, right? So print of hello world. Okay, print of hello world. This is my program. What is the name of the program here? Main.py. Every program must save with an extension .py. So .py here is, it is a Python file. It is a Python program. What is the main here? Main is the program name. Okay, main is the program name and .py is the extension. So here you can see main dot py. Okay, here what is a main? So main is nothing but name of your program. You are going to write multiple programs. So you have to give the name for the program. And what is dot py? Dot py is the extension of your file name. Okay, dot py denotes it is a Python program. Okay, dot py denotes that it is a Python program. So now once you have written this program, okay, writing is completed. Now I want to execute your program. How can you execute your program? You can find an option here, run. If you click on this run, it will show the output on the right hand side. You can see here, hello world. For example, if you want to add one more line, print off, okay, print off, welcome to the Python. Okay, welcome to the Python. Now again, if you click on the run option, then you can see the program is going to print first hello world. Okay, first hello world. Then second, welcome to Python. Whatever you are writing inside this print, that is going to be printed in the output. Okay, so in this way, you can use any online editor, okay, online Python compiler to execute your program. This is the first way. Okay, the second way, I want to install the Python software in my computer. Okay, what is the advantage? So once you install, even if you don't have internet connection, even if you don't have internet connection, you can still write and execute your Python programs. See here, in the first case, if you use online editor, if there is no internet connection, if there is no internet connection, okay, you cannot execute your programs. You cannot execute it. But if you install your Python software in your computer, then even if you don't have the internet connection, you can still write and execute your programs. Now, what is the step-by-step procedure? Okay, so try to understand. It is a very important step-by-step procedure for installing the software. Okay, now we can see the step-by-step procedure how to install Python in your computer in the next lesson.